Hello, what is up? If you are new here, my name is Carlie Jade and I'm a licensed cosmetologist. Today I'm going to be asking you a very serious question. Is your water damaging your hair? If so, I have the solution for you. If you want to hear my tips, tricks, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a little bitty icon right here. You can hit that, subscribe. There's also a subscribe button down there. And there's also a bell. If you hit that, you can get a notification every time I upload. So if you want to hear my tips and tricks on why your water could be damaging your hair, then let's get on with the video. So what is hard water, you may ask? I'm going to tell you what hard water is. I'm gonna read off my little notebook thing because I ain't gonna remember word from word. So hard water is referred as water that contains dissolving compounds of calcium and magnesium, and even sometimes metallic, or even contains metallic elements. Does that not scare you already of what could be in your water? I mean, that scares me because I want my hair to be healthy as possible. What could hard water be doing to your hair? Well, it could cause dry scalp. It could cause oiliness, excessive oiliness. If your hair is normally not oily and it's starting to become oily, that may be concerning. Also, if you get your hair bleached and you like it that nice blonde icy color and it's not looking that way after you just got it done and it's already looking orange, hard water strips out the toner of your hair. Believe it or not, it does, and it brings out that brassiness that we just don't want. We don't want that brassiness. It can also cause frizzy hair. Say, did your hair come out frizzy every time you get out of the shower? Yeah, that could be caused from hard water too. It's ridiculous, I'm telling you. So let me just show you what hard water looks like on your shower heads, and if this is what it looks like, you probably have hard water. Now it's going to show up with like white specks and it's going to look like film. Not really film, but it's just white, and you can smell the chlorine, the magnesium, the sulfur in that water. You're gonna be able to smell it. You can feel like when you're taking a shower, your soap's not coming off, your hair's not lathering very well. You're just like, ugh. That could be caused from hard water too. So let me just ask you these easy questions, and this can, you know, see if you have hard water. So number one question is, does your toner rinse out very quickly? Say you just got your hair done, got fresh, nice, icy color. Does it look like it's turning brassy quicker? You may have hard water. Second question, does your shower head have these white spots? Yes or no? Because if they do, that's a concern. You may have hard water. Number three, when you are shampooing your hair, does your hair lather very well? Because if it's not, you may have hard water. But don't get it twisted between going, like say if you wash your hair twice a week like I do, I always shampoo twice when I shampoo. This is for like every day or every other day shampooing people. So if your hair is not lathering very well and it's not rinsing out very well, then you may have hard water. Number four question, does your hair look really frizzy? Does it look flat? Does it just look weighed down and not as voluminous, or just not where you would want it to be? Yes or no? Maybe. Then that may be a concern of hard water. Is your hair greasy all the time? If your hair is greasy all the time and you just shampooed it, that could also be caused by hard water. So does your hair get super greasy a lot? For the sixth question, are you noticing thinning of your hair? Are you noticing some thin spots in the front, maybe on the crown area? Because that also may be from hard water. But you didn't know that. It can not only be caused by drugstore shampoo, it can be caused by hard water. And for the last question I have for you, does your hair tangle super easily now? That could be also caused from hard water. So out of these 7 questions, if you have 3 or more that are yes, then you probably have hard water. There are easy ways to fix it. There's some more expensive ways to fix hard water, and I'm gonna give you those tips right now. So say if you don't know you have hard water, okay? Say you don't know. You can go on Amazon and you can get a testing kit for hard water. It's kind of like a little strip, kind of like if you have a pool and you get the chemical strips, they're just like that. You can get a plastic bottle and you can fill up your plastic bottle. You put some soap in it, shake it really well. If it's got really good suds in it, then you're fine, like you're good to go. But if it has very little and it goes down very quickly, that could be a concern and you may have hard water. So another way to see if you have hard water, you can also call your local water company and get them to educate you and tell you what kind of water is coming to your home. If they say that it has magnesium, it has sulfur, by all means, you're gonna have hard water. Like, it's as easy as that. You're gonna have hard water. If you have like some cha-ching, you could, you know, get somebody to test your water, send it to a lab, see what they say, if it, like, ask their opinion on it, what could be in your water. So probably the most effective way that I can tell you to change your water if you do have hard water is to get a water system put in your house. It is a little expensive, just depending on who you go with. So I'm also going to tell you some more simpler ways, saying if you don't have the money to get a water system, or you don't have the money to go get your water tested, and you just may want to do something really simple and super easy, not as expensive. There are water filter that you can attach to your shower head. So they are very inexpensive, just depending on which one you go with. There's some that are like oval, there's some that are long, there's some that can be put in the little spout area that before it shoots out of the shower head. There are shampoos out there that can help get rid of any of the residue or the buildup, any of the chemicals that are sitting on your hair, and this is one of them. Malibu, that is specifically made for hard water situations. So if you want to go that kind of route, then by all means, I don't blame you. So I also want to share some really easy DIYs that you can do right at home that could also help your hair if you are suffering from hard water damage on your hair. And one of them is lemon water. Lemon water will easily get that out, and it's kind of like a detox with all the acids in it. It will help your hair. Lemon juice. If you have lemon juice, it will help your hair. You can also do a diluted vinegar wash on your hair to get all the residue out of your hair, just kind of like any of the shampoos. But if you don't have that right that moment, and if you have vinegar in your refrigerator or your cabinets, you can dilute it down with some water, pour it on your hair, good to go. Also, this is kind of like if you know you're somewhere like in a hotel or an Airbnb and you notice that things are different, your hair feels weird, greasier, build up, your soap is not coming off your body, you can get store-bought water and use it to rinse out your hair, rinse off your body. I know that sounds ridiculous, but it is an alternative way to not harsh your hair. But yes, that is all my tips and why your water may be hurting your hair. That is it for this video. I hope I gave you some good education on hard water and why you should be more concerned about it, because it can be damaging to the hair. It could, like I said, hair fallout, nobody wants that. Frizzy hair, nobody wants that. Build up, scalp, nobody wants that. Even tangles, nobody wants tangles. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some really good and awesome tips. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You know you want to. Join the fam jam, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.